Assalamu alaikum. Very, very nice to meet you. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Very, very nice to meet you in the Eid Milan party. So, actually, we expected to start our today's party at 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. We were waiting for you from 2, but now I think it's time to start our party. So, as we know, in Islam world, we have two very essential celebration of days. The first one is Eid Fitr, and second one is Udoha. So, I think for our Pakistani students who is living in Samarkand, who is studying in Samarkand State Medical University, everywhere our university trying to cooperate during these events as well, during these very essential days in Islamic world. So, as we know, today this party was organized by head of the agency, which is managed by Mr. Rashid and Mr. Zabiullah. So I hope you will spend good time today and you will enjoy with us and we will enjoy with you, inshallah. Thank you so much. Again, very, very nice to meet you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes.